Okay, thank you so much for the support. I hope now everything is visible. Okay, so quickly I'm going to brief about my tools. So today you need glue, scissor, ruler, scale, whatever size you have, that is okay, pencil, and you need one black sketch pen. Okay, someone has written that we can use brush pen. Yes, if you have brush pen, that is also okay. Brush sketch pen and like this is also okay. Yeah, so both are okay. Those who are not having a sketch pen, they can use black pencil color or black pen also. Okay, and now we need 3 colored sheet. So as you can see, I'm going to use 3 different colored sheet. Okay, the yellow and the purple and the pink, and we need compass also. But as usual, I don't have compass, and I really don't want to purchase that because I really love to observe my surroundings, and I always love to use these kind of objects whenever I need circle or any geometrical shape. I always try to use these kind of object which really help to improve our observation power. Yeah, so those who are not having a compass, they can use these kind of object. You can see the size. So we need 2 circles for today's work. So the same circle, same size will be also okay. So you can see it's a size, a normal bowl size. I hope now marker, yes, you can use marker, black sketch pen, black uh, brush sketch pen, black pen, black pencil color, so many black, huh? So whatever you have, you can use that. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Now I'm going to tell you why I'm going to use these 3 different color. Those who are having different color, it's wonderful, great. Maybe some of you are not having different color. So then you can do one thing, that you can color your cat also, and you can color the ball which she is going to hold in their hands. So like that you can do your work. Okay, and those who are having different color sheet, that is also perfect. So right now I'm having A4 sheet. With this pink color I'm going to make the ball, as I hope you all have already seen the picture. So I'm going to use this pink for my ball, and I think the purple, this one I'm going to use for my cat. I know cat color we can use white or any other color like brown or maybe patchy work, but I don't have much options, so I'm going to use this. I think the combination of pink and yellow and the purple is looking together good. So I'm going to use this, and the yellow is going to be my base, the base where we are going to paste everything. Okay, so if you want to color change the color, that is perfectly fine for me. Choose your own colors, choose your own color. I really appreciate that if you are going to choose your own colors. Okay, which really help you to improve again your color scheme senses. So please try to choose your own colors. Okay, so let's start. So we have to start with cat first. So I'm going to keep these 2 things little side, and we are going to start with cat. So whatever sheet you have decided, please take that. And you need compass. Those who are using these kind of object, be ready with that. And you need pencil. Okay, but I always use my sketch pens for drawing so that you can see everything clearly. So I'm going to use a sketch pen, but please, it's a request, you have to use pencil. Okay, and we are going to use only one single sheet for our cat. So hands, body, tail, everything is going to come with this one single sheet. So choose your this circle size very carefully so that we can have good, beautiful, adorable cat with us. Okay, so I'm going to start with corner. Okay, why? So that we can have space so that we can make tail and everything. We can use this area for hands and everything. Okay, so I hope you all are ready. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first of all, going to use this corner. Do you have a cat as a pet? No, but I really love cats. I love cats. I have dog and 2 parrots, but no cat. Lovely question. Okay, so I'm going to start. Please, everyone, look here. So first of all, we have to make first circle like this with very fine lines. Okay, and first we are going to do every drawing part, then we are going to do cutting, then we are going to do pasting. Okay. After this, after every step, I'm going to give you a little time so that you can do that particular step. I think this much is done. Okay, whenever you are done, you have to show me thumbs up. Don't forget, okay? Then only I know that you all are. Okay, and it's always great. I'm not receiving any question right now. It means everyone is very busy, huh? Wonderful. Okay, now again, I'm going to make another one over here, but it is going to be a little overlap. Or I'm going to make it, I'm not going to make it overlapping, but with a little distance. First you have to observe, then you have to start. Always remember, okay? It will improve your observation power, which is very important for every artist. So what I have done, I have given a little distance between both the circles so that it will be easy to cut, okay? And with the second circle, I'm going to attach tail. So many done. Oh, great. Now I think everyone having a good speed also, huh? Great. Okay, now I'm going to add tail. I'm going to start from here. A beautiful curve line. And if you don't get that curve line, as you can see over here, okay, so I'm going to, we are going to cut it, then we can manage. So many more things we can manage when we are going to cut that particular shape. So if you made a mistake, no problem, we can manage that. So this one is going to be a tail. Okay, again I am receiving done, great. Very good speed, impressed. Okay, now let's start with cutting part first. So after cutting these 2 circles and the tail with circle, as you can see, then we are going to make ears, 2 ears over here, and 4 legs over here. So we have, I think, enough space for those things. Okay, so we are not going, it means we are not wasting any sheet, which is very important. Always remember. Okay. Okay, so let's start with cutting part. Those who are comfortable with scissor, go ahead, but be very careful. And those who are not, please take help. Okay, I have no issue with that. Please take help for cutting part. Those who can do with their own, that is also good, but be very carefully, because scissor is quite dangerous for you all. So do it slowly. I think you all can do. And I have done. See my first beautiful circle with sharp edge, which is very important. Okay. Now I'm going to start with the second one. I'm not going to, I really don't want to waste my sheet. That's why I'm not going to start from this side. I'm, yes, Lakshmi, please go ahead. Yes, yes, yes. You can take help. Cutting part, please take help. And all the pasting and drawing part you can do with your own. But yes, if you are not comfortable with scissor, with cutting part, please take help. Okay. So try to avoid wasting your sheet. Do it nicely. But yes, if you made a mistake, we always have that power that we can fix it. See. Okay. So what I have done, I'm going to repeat it again. I have taken one sheet. So you can choose your own color sheet for cat. Then I've taken one object because I don't have my compass with me. I've made 2 circles. One is this side and one over here. And after making second circle, I have added this beautiful tail. And after these 2 drawing, I have cut it very slowly because I really want beautiful sharp look. I'm going to give you a little time so that you all can do your step. And I can see everyone is busy. Wow, wonderful, great. Anika, very good, dear. Dhyuti, very nice. Now please start cutting your second one. Okay, and remember one very important thing, that this cat is going to paste over here. It means the same size sheet, A4 sheet. It means we cannot make a big one. Okay, otherwise it is going to come out with the border. So please be very careful with the circle size. Okay, Ria, very good. Ria Sood, very nice. You are done. Okay, see, it's quite difficult for me to take everyone's name, but yes, I can see everyone work. Shonisha, very nice. Wonderful, great. You all have done wonderful job. Devika, very good. And I really like the color of your cat. Very nice, everyone. Okay, so quite difficult to take everyone's name. Please try to understand. But I really appreciate you all. You all are doing wonderful job. Great work. So thumbs up for you all. Very good. Okay, so let's start with another step where we are going to make ears, legs. Okay, so we are going to take same sheet, and this time you have to remember one thing, that everything should according to your cat body. Okay, so this is going to be her body. Okay, so it means everything we have to arrange it over here. So the ears and everything should be accordingly. So I'm going to start. First, I'm going to take this much sheet. We need a small piece of paper, so you can cut the same sheet corner. Okay, and now we can fold it from the center. We have to fold it from the center. What I have done, I have taken this piece of paper from this particular same sheet from the corner. Then you have to fold it from the center like this. And now I'm going to make ears, okay? And for that you can use pencil. I'm going to use my sketch pen so that you can see everything clearly. Okay, so over here from this end, I'm going to start making ear, a little pointed one, like a petal or like a leaf, whatever you can say. And because of folding, when we are going to cut, then we can have 2 ears, same size, same shape. Okay, and it should be according to your cat head. So after cutting, if we need to cut more, then we can trim it. Okay, so we can trim. So now I'm going to cut like this. Slowly again, you can take help and see, because of folding, I have 2 ears. Wow, great. And see, I'm keeping over here and I think my ears size are okay. Yes, so you can also keep it like this and you can also see that it is okay or not. Done making ears, great. See, we have to give time to everyone, na? That's why I'm giving a little more time so that everyone can do their work. Okay. Now we are going to make legs. Okay, and for legs, again I'm going to cut I think this corner we need a long one, so I'm going to take this much strip from the same sheet. Again, we have to fold. What I have done, taken this much long sheet, strip, then I'm going to fold from the center like this. Now again, I'm going to make a shape. This time it is going to be a little long and round. So that we can do it like this, yeah. And after making it, see, if you get a long leg, you can trim that, okay? But if you are going to have small one, then it means you need another sheet. So try to make long, then after that, if you think that it's very long, then we can cut also, yeah. So I think this much is okay, because we are going to with the next process, it is going to again fold and then paste. So I think this much long is okay, because it is going to hold, these arms are going to hold that beautiful ball. Yes, so I think this much long is okay. Now for the another two, using same sheet. See, I have used all the corners, I think, and it's lovely, don't you think? So you will have one beautiful adorable cat with one sheet only, and it's great, I think. Again, we are going to do the same technique, fold from the center, and now this time it is going to be little thick one, okay, the broader one, not long but a little broad. So I'm going to give you a little time. Okay, now please look here, everyone. Now this time shape is going to be a little different, like a papaya, we can say, like this, and then like this, and you can see I've used my whole sheet, and like this. The curve line, this curve, okay, and you can see. Now we are going to cut. Two. Okay, so it is going to be paste like this. So I think the size is okay. Okay, those who are done, be ready with your base sheet. Base, okay. For the base, I'm going to use my yellow sheet. Those who are still doing, take your time. I'm waiting for you all. Okay, now I think everyone is ready. So now what we are going to do, take your base sheet. It is going to be my base, okay? And now I'm going to take every part of my cat and going to arrange it over here so that I can see the effect. And I'm going to paste it a little tilted. So like this. I'm not going to paste straight. I'm going to paste it like this. Okay. So I'm going to arrange first everything so that I can have a beautiful effect. I really want to see that. I think everything is fine from my side. So you can also arrange these two circles with tail, and please be ready with your glue. Okay, it's optional, totally optional. If you want to paste it straight, okay, then of course go ahead. But if you want paste a little tilted one just like this, that is also perfectly fine. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to first paste the tail circle. Okay, so apply glue only on the corner like this, only on the corner. Don't fill your sheet with glue. This much is enough. Okay, and now let me check. Okay, now paste. Those who are using glue like me or stick glue, both are okay. Whatever glue you have, that is okay. Okay, just use in the corner. Okay, now the second circle is going to paste, but with a little overlapping. Not like this. We are going to overlap. See, like this. Like this. See, this part is overlapping now. So I'm going to again apply glue only on the corner and paste. And see, when I'm applying glue, I'm leaving a little border also. See, this much, so that we can fix our ears and hands, everything nicely. Border means I am applying glue over here, and I have left this much. Okay, the little overlapping, and done. Okay, now it's about 40 minutes. So now I'm going to speed up my work because time management is very important. Okay, so now everyone, it's a request. Please observe try to learn first, and whatever is going to left, you can continue with after this class also. So now I'm going to speed up my work. Okay, so quickly look here, try to understand, learn, and you also do your work. Okay, now I'm going to paste these 2 ears, but as we call this cat 3D cat, so we cannot paste it like this. I'm going to fold first. We have to give a little 3D look. So we have to fold this ear a little bit like this, and the same with another. See, so because of this folding, it is going to stand like this. Yeah, see, this fold, and it is almost same. So that's why my ears size is also same. Yes, and where we have to apply glue over here. So just a line is okay. So line, and we can keep it inside our head circle like this. Lovely. Again, I did not press it because I really want to arrange both the first. Then I'm going to press it so that it will fix properly. Till then, okay. I think this is right. Okay, those who are having problem with doing inside your head circle, you can paste it over here. So that is also okay for me. Okay. So see, now 3D ears are ready. So like this only, we are going to paste legs 3D. Okay. So I'm going to give few seconds so that you can do this work. But we have to manage time also. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these 2 hands, and again the same process, going to fold same way. I'm going to paste it like this so that it will hold that circle. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do the last one, legs. Okay, so for this leg, I'm going to fold it from here. Please look here, everyone. Give a fold over here like this so that we can paste it like this. Okay, so it is going to be look like this. See. Now both the legs are going to come over here. So paste. Going to repeat again, please. If you have any confusion, look here. Take your leg, fold it from this corner only. this much. Apply glue over here and paste. Let it dry, then I think it is going to be fold nicely. Okay, so I hope this much is done. So now take your pencil or sketch pen. Those who are comfortable with direct doing with sketch pen, you can use sketch pen, and those who are comfortable with pencil first, you can also do pencil, and then you can do the outlining with your black sketch pen. What we are going to do, we are going to make face over here. Yes. And now I have already told you that we don't have much time, so because we have to make ball also, na? So please look here. And I hope now you know how to paste leg. So if you are not ready with your legs, with all the pasting, let it be. Please try to make this, leave this step. You can, if you learn something, you can do it after this class, na? So if you learn this, how to paste and fold and everything, then leave that step. You can do after this class. Try to learn now this, okay? So now I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to start with direct with my pencil, sketch pen, or those who are okay with pencil, so you can also do with pencil first. So I'm going to try to make beautiful, adorable face, okay? So eyes, nose. I'm going to fade it out with my sketch pen, so don't worry if it is not visible. I'm going to make it visible. And I'm going to add few things so that it will look adorable. So now I'm going to fade it out. It's kind of eyelash, which really give an adorable look. Okay. Now for nose, you can fill over here pink color. Okay, pink color. And mustache, very important. Let's see. make it more beautiful, you can paste or color. Give a little circle with pink color on their hands, on her hand. Again, it's a lengthy process, so I really request that skip this step also. You can do after this class. I'm going to do it fast, quickly, but you have to do a really good work. You need time. Okay, so try to do this work after this class. That is perfect for me, and it will save your time also. It's a smart work now. We have to do smart work. We have to learn everything in 1 hour. Yes, so it's quite difficult sometimes. So this is the way. Use your brain. Skip those steps which you know, which you understood, and you can continue after this class. And whenever you are done, then you can submit. Yes. Okay, so I think this much is done. The adorable cat is ready. Now let's start with the beautiful ball. I'm going to keep it over here so that you can see. Okay, so let's start without wasting any time because we don't have much time. Okay, so for making ball, I'm going to take my pink sheet and keep it in a landscape size. When we keep our sheet like this is called landscape and this is called portrait. Okay, now landscape, and now I'm going to take my scale and I'm going to mark it. Take your pencil, keep it like this, and we are going to make lines with 1 centimeter distance. So it means for that we have to first make these kind of mark. So I'm making it with every 1 centimeter so that we can make lines easily. Yes, and now I'm going to make lines, and then we are going to cut. You can do it directly also, but those who are having difficulty for that you really need a measurement, that's why I have given 1 centimeter distance. But those who can do this work, I mean make these lines directly, you can do the direct work also. Okay, how many lines may be in your mind, that how many lines we need? I did not count it. When we are going to cut, and when we are going to make circle, that ball, if we need more, then we have to cut more. Otherwise, I mean, it's totally depends on your choice. Okay, this much. Then we have to cut it. So right now, because we have less time, and we not less, but yes, we have to manage everything. So now it's a request. You have learned how to make these lines with proper distance. Yes. Okay. So right now you have to make only 1 or 2 line. Try to make 2 line or 3 line and cut like this. And other lines you can cut. We continue your work after this class also. Try to learn first. Okay. So after making lines, you have to cut these strips. See, because of drawing, I'm having these beautiful lines. Lovely. Wow. Again, those who are having difficulties, you can take help. I am cutting all the lines. It's a request, you don't cut. Just be ready with 3 or 4 lines or 2 lines. But I have to finish it so that you can see the effect. Ready work. See, I have cut this much. After pasting, after making ball, if I need, I'm going to cut more. Okay, but let's start with next step. So it means whenever you are done with these strips, take your first strip. Please try to learn this step, which is very important, how to make ball. So I think this much is very easy. Yes, you need strips, same size strips. Now you need to keep, first take your strip and then another one should be on a center like this in a cross manner. And I'm going to paste it over here. Just a dot is enough for pasting. Please remember this. Just a dot is enough. Paste like this. Okay. Now again apply glue. Now paste in a cross manner. Now again apply glue. And see, those who are having stapler, you can staple also. It's a quick work if you are going to use stapler. Because I don't have, I'm going to. Okay, so you can add more strips if you want, like this. I mean, okay, let me use more. It will take time to paste if you are using glue. So have patience. Okay. I think this much is enough for my side. If you need, you can add more, but I don't want. Now what we need to do, I'm going to take one sheet, the same strip, and going to take it like this. And going to paste it like this. See, the first one I'm going to take and paste, join and paste like this. Again, one single dot is enough. Now, going to hold it like this only. Going to take another one and paste. So like this only, take dot and paste. So you can see effect is coming, the round one. Yes, so take dot, paste, take, paste. Lovely, don't you think? Wow, I really love that. Lovely effect is coming. See, so it means whatever I have taken, the strips are okay. So if you want, you can add more strips or less. It's totally optional. It's totally up to you. So if you are comfortable, if you're happy with effect, stop adding your strips, and then I think you are ready with your ball. The lovely, beautiful ball. And this ball you can use somewhere else for decoration also, don't you think? And see. The lovely one. Just I'm going to hold for a few minutes so that it will fix. And see. Lovely. And I'm going to keep it over here. And this cat is going to hold it. So now what we need to do after making this ball, you can paste also if you want. If you want to fix, it's optional again. You can apply glue over here and fix it. Okay, but if you don't want, so now just fold these legs nicely so that it will look that it is going to hold. She is going to hold this and she's playing with this ball. Again, very important. Now, see. Lovely. Yes. Okay, so it's done, and you can do one thing. If you want, you can give one more layer to her ears, and one more last thing. If you want, again, it's optional. I'm not going to do that, or maybe I can, but you can do after this class, of course. So if you want, you can make any pattern, or you can use any object, decorative item like glitter or any stone or something if you want. So you can paste it at the background. Okay, over here, so it will look nice. So see, this sheet is looking plain. Yes, so if you want, you can take any color sketch pen and you can just give these dots so that it will look good and give a beautiful complete look. So you can add these kind of dots, and it's optional. You can make stars, half circles, you can use glitter, you can write also something if you are going to gift someone. Okay, so if you want, you can use it like that also. Instead of this ball, you can paste uh, toffees and chocolates also. Yeah, so see, it's idea. So you can use it as a card, birthday card, or maybe you can make 3D that cake. Okay, so I hope everyone is done. Whatever you have done, it's wonderful, great, outstanding, and I'm sure that you are going to complete this work after this class and going to submit, and I'm going to wait for your work. And right now, happy to see you working. Yes, so I hope you like today's class also, and go ahead, complete your work and submit. We are going to wait and see if you can see the effect of these dots also. Now I am done from my side. I can see everyone, you all are doing wonderful job. So clapping for you all. It's wonderful class, wonderful students, and you all have done wonderful job. Okay, so over to you, ma'am. It's done from my side.
Thank you so much, Sushmita. This was a great session. It was so much of fun. This craft work is just amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's workshop. Tomorrow we do not have any sessions, so